Hey everyone, I am replacing the wheel bearings in my front wheel for the Honda CB650. It's a 1979 and my Cafe Racer project. You can see I'm pounding away. I pulled out the seals and I missed one step and then I was doing it all wrong. So I included this part. This is a quick video because it is actually really easy once I figured it out. First, I had to, just with a little crowbar I had, twist the tool out, and you can see I'm trying the other side. The other side does not come out. Found a little bit before reading some books and realizing that really what you need to do is take a screwdriver and angle it. You see it pop right out of there. And I angled both sides and just pried it slowly. And then once I did that, I was able to slide the bearings right in. I had my bearings in the freezer to keep it cool and to make them a little bit smaller, but you can see they slid right in. I have a little bearing tool that I pounded in there with, but really didn't have to hit that hard. Went in there pretty easily, and honestly, the work itself was so easy. But man, I was pounding, working, looking. I couldn't find the right way to do it. Once I did, it was actually pretty easy. So that's why I included this here, just to show you that it was pretty easy to do, but do it right, and it'll be easier. So best of luck.